Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see about a free online training program that is going to be conducted by Amazon. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So as I said, Amazon is conducting a free online training program, and the name of this training is AWS Modern Applications Online Series. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, and this online training is going to be conducted on October 15th, 2020. And in this training program, you will be learning about how to design, build and deploy modern applications. And now we'll see further details about this online training program by Amazon. So this training program has been divided into 4 tracks. Track 1 is Accelerate Modern Applications, and the second one is Empowering Builders New Architecture Patterns, and the third one is Empowering Builders Modern Applications Development, and track 4 is Digital Innovation to Rapid Prototyping. So just know that there are 4 tracks in this training. We'll see the detail about each one later. So here are the highlights of this program. You will have a 60-minute opening session with industry experts in AWS, and then you will have a breakout sessions in which you will be learning about how to adapt to the new technologies and practices, and you have technical demos, and then you will have a live Q&A session in which you can interact with the AWS working professionals. And here they have given the session timings. In India and Sri Lanka, the timing is 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and they have given the timing for other countries like Australia and New Zealand, as well as for some Asian countries like Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam. They have given the session timing for all the countries. You can just look into it. In India, it's going to be 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. on October 15th, 2020. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see the agenda of the training program here. Here you can see all the tracks which we saw earlier, track 1, track 2, track 3, track 4. And they have given all the sessions, what you will be learning in each track. They have given everything completely. And if you want to know further about what you will be learning in one particular session, you can scroll down and see the session description. They have given all the details like what is the session and who is going to speak in that particular session and what you will be learning about. They have given all the details about every particular session here. You can just click on whichever one for that you want to know about. Just click on it and see the details about that particular track and the sessions. And you can see here that every sessions are named like level 100, level 200. Everything is marked with some level. So you have here the explanation. If you scroll down, you can see it. Level 100 means it's an introductory level, and level 200 means it's an intermediate level, and 300 is an advanced level, and 400 is an expert level. But you can still be new to AWS and still take on the expert level sessions. But it might be a bit difficult for you to understand if you take the expert level, if you are in a beginner level actually. So take the levels accordingly and wisely attend all the sessions so that you can actually gain some knowledge about AWS. And if you scroll down, you can see the session speakers. So you will be learning from the lead architect in AWS and the principal developer advocate in AWS. So you can see the featured speakers here. You can see their name here, and they have given a few lines about them. You can go through it if you want. Now let's see some FAQs about this online training event. So where is the event hosted? So it's an online event. And what is the price of attending this online event? So this is a completely free online event. You don't need to pay for anything. And who should attend this online event? It doesn't matter if you are new to AWS or if you already have some experience in it. You can still learn something new at AWS Modern Apps Online Series. So can I get a confirmation of my registration? So you will get a confirmation mail after completing your online registration process. And how do I access the online event on live day? So you will get all the details about the event on your mail after the registration is completed. And how do I get the certificate of attendance? So if you watch at least 5 modules, then you will get a certificate of attendance from Amazon Web Services after 1 week of the event. You can see that here. We will send a certificate of attendance 1 week after the event has ended to the mail you used when registering for the event. So they will mail your certificate to the mail ID which you use when you are registering for this online training. And the next question is, are there sessions in other language? Of course, they have this training program in Korean, Bahasa, Indonesia, and Vietnamese language. And how can I contact the online event organizers? So if you have any further queries about this online training program, you can just see here, please email us. You can just click on it and mail them all your queries and get it resolved. Okay, now let's see how to register for this online training program that's going to be conducted by Amazon Web Services. So you can see here, register for online series at the top of the page itself. Just click on it. So once you click on register button, you will be directed to this page, and in this page you can find a form which you need to fill out for applying for this online training by Amazon. So you have to check all these boxes here, like terms and conditions, register for AWS modern applications online series, and then check these boxes here for downloading certain things, and then check this one here, and you have to give details like your name and company name, and if you are a student, type in your college name, and you have to give your email address and choose your country and give your phone number and select your company type. If you are a student, choose the option education, and then you have to give your city and postal code, and if you're a student, type in job title as student and choose industry as other if you are a student, and if you're a working professional, go with whatever is applicable for you, and choose company size as 1 if you're a student, and then you have to answer a few questions like the level of AWS usage and the use case, and then you have to select between these two. This information is associated with your business interest or personal interest. You have to select between these two, and then once you have given all your details, click on submit button. So let me give my details and catch up after that. Once you have given the details, check this box and click on submit. So once you submit your application, you can see here, thank you for registration. You will receive the confirmation email shortly. So you should receive your email within 1 hour. If you don't get, just check your spam or junk folders in your email inbox, and if you still can't find it, contact them via mail. They have given here contact us. Just click on it and mail them and ask your queries. So this is the content for this video. Amazon is conducting an online event. It's a free of cost, and you can also get a free certificate. The topic is AWS modern applications online series. So you can make use of this opportunity to learn about AWS, that is Amazon Web Services. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Instagram and Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.